is up, guys? PC Geek here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial how to get a USB disk or drive that has a Windows installation file on it that isn't working with your computer. So let's get started. So first of all, the first thing you need to do, this is the easiest part, is check to see on your laptop. I currently have, this is my latest project, it's a Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga, and I'm installing it on a 512 gigabyte SSD that I bought. And so what you have to do is you have to see if there's a USB 2.0 port, because if there isn't, like in this case on mine, there's only USB 3.0 ports. You need to find the USB 2.0 port, and then if that doesn't work, then what you need to do is you need to go into your BIOS. First try UEFI mode on with safe mode off. Then try it with safe mode on. And if that doesn't work, neither of those work, then try legacy mode on with safe mode on. And if that doesn't work, safe mode off with legacy on. And if that doesn't work, then this is what I found online. And then what you do after that, this is what I actually found out myself. I don't know if there's any, there probably is some kind of tutorial out there already that shows this, but what you need to do is you need to figure out if your board supports UEFI and legacy both at the same time. Because if you enable that with safe mode off, at least on this computer, then it'll work. And then also try safe mode on with that, if that doesn't work. But yeah, it worked on this one, because in this case, there's two USB ports and only two, and both of them are USB 3, which makes it incompatible to install Windows through it, so you have to go digging into your BIOS and change the settings. But yeah, this is my latest project, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Peace.